students, how are you all? Welcome to today's topic, and today's topic is area and its boundary, chapter 11 of your NCERT class 5 textbook. Students, this is the part 2 of the chapter, and part 1 has been already delivered to you. The objectives of these videos are able to find the difference between the terminology area and perimeter, able to solve simple word problem related to area and perimeter. Student will be able to conclude that same area may have different perimeters and vice versa. Students, but before moving ahead, you should have a clear picture of where we find out the perimeter and where we find out the area. Students, if we have to work on the figure, then we find out the perimeter. Like when your family puts up a new fence around your home, how will they know that how much fencing they need? Obviously, through working on the boundary of the figure. And if we have to work on the boundary, we will find perimeter. And if you have to find out you want to put a new carpet into your room, how much carpet do they buy? That is the main question. In this, you have to work inside the figure. Then we will find out the area. So students, it is clear to you all that if we have to work in the figure, then we will find area, and if we have to work on the figure, then we will find, yes, you are right, perimeter. Students, but we should keep some points in our mind while attempting the word problems of area and its boundary. Students, in this chapter, you are basically dealing with area and perimeter of square and rectangle. And you already know the area and perimeter of square and rectangle and their formulas also. So students, in this video, the emphasis is given to solve the word problems. There are three main things that you should keep in mind while attempting the word problem. Number 1 is the shape of the figure. Number 2, what is given to you. And number 3, what you have to find. This you can do it in this tabular form. Let's move ahead to the word problem. Students, here is your first word problem. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meters in length. How long is one side of the garden? Here student, I have told you to make this tabular form. The shape of the figure, number 1, is square or a rectangle? Yes, it is a square. What is given to you? 20 meter in length. It is a length, side or a perimeter? It is a perimeter because it is given that fencing is 20 meter in length. The fencing means perimeter. And what you have to find? How long? Long means we have to find out the side of the figure. Students, if If you have clearly understood the question, it would be easier for you to find out the answer. Here, the perimeter of square is 4s. That means 20 is equal to 4s. What should be multiplied with 4 to make it a 20? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So 5 meter is the side of the square. Okay students, let's take one more word problem. A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much is its area? Let's again make out a table. What is the shape of the figure? It is given. It is quite clear over here also, square. Otherwise also a carom is a square. And what is given? Perimeter of 320 centimeter. Yani perimeter is given to us. And what we have to find out? How much is its area? We have to find out the area. But students, there is no direct formula of finding perimeter and area. We have not taught you now. So we will first find out the side of the square, and then with the help of the side we will find out the area. Let's see how. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 320 is equal to 4 into side. 4 is multiplied. What should be multiplied with 4 to make it a 320? Yes, 80 centimeter. Now, we have side with us. Side is 80 centimeter. And what is the formula of square now? Yes, you are right. Side into side. Students, what is the side? 80 centimeter. Then 80 into 80. That means 6400 square centimeter. As we have said earlier also, we will put square when we will find out the area. Let's move ahead. Therefore, the area of carom board is 6400 square centimeter. Students, now we will move on to the another word problem where we have different sizes but we have same area. Here you can see a postcard of length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter, and its area is 15 square centimeter. There is one more figure of a belt where the length is 15 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter, and the area will be 15 square centimeter. So the area of postcard and perimeter is 15 square centimeter. And now we will find out the perimeter of both the figures. The length of the postcard is 5 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter, and it is in the shape of a rectangle. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W is equal to 2 into 5 plus 2 into 3. If we solve it, we will get 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 centimeter. And if we find out the perimeter of the belt, again the perimeter is in a form of a rectangle. So we will put 2L plus 2W as the perimeter of the belt. 2 into 15 plus 2 into 1. That will make 30 plus 2 is equal to 32 centimeter. So students, here the area of postcard and a belt are equal, but their perimeter is different. Now students, here is a problem in a tabular form where some dimensions is given to you and some are hidden. We have to find out the hidden dimensions. In first part, Sanya's card, the length of it is 10 centimeter and the width is 8 centimeter. So the perimeter will be 2L plus 2W. 20 plus 16 is equal to 36 centimeter. And if we find out the area, 10 into 8 is equal to 80 square centimeter. In the next question, perimeter is given to us 44 centimeter and the length is given to us. So students, what could be the width of the, yes, 11 centimeter, and its area is 11 into 11, 121 square centimeter. Next student, if area is given to us and width is given to us, length into width is equal to area. So 10 into 8 is equal to 80. And now we will find out the perimeter. The perimeter will be 36 centimeter. In Kabir's card, we can see that perimeter and area is given to us, not the length and width. So what could be it? The perimeter, if we put 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So students, I hope you have well understood the topic till covered. So let's once again recapitulate what we have done. What do we find? Perimeter or area? Fencing of a garden. If we have to put a fence around a garden, we will find out the perimeter. Flooring a room, then we will work in the figure or on the figure, in the figure. Then that means area. Lacing a sari. In this, we have to work around the sari. Then we will find the perimeter. Carpeting a hall. When we put the carpet in a hall, we will have to work inside the figure. Then we will find out the area. So students, let's do one more activity. Fill in the blanks. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Same perimeter of different rectangles may have different areas, and rectangles having same area may have different perimeters. Square unit is the unit of area. So students, I am also assigning you some home assignment. In this, the same perimeter have different areas. Here you can see a figure in which we have same perimeters of all the 5 figures. Here you have to find out the different areas of it. Okay students, I hope you have well understood today's concept. Okay, bye bye.